Thank you, Peter. And thank you, everyone, for being here and to have tuned in today.
Thank you, Peter, and hello, everyone. Startup Booster is the leading startup competition in the world of composites and advanced materials. Launched in 2017, the competition has already fostered the emergence of thousands of innovative projects coming from more than 60 countries. We selected 131 finalists, and we awarded 31 winners, including renowned startups such as Fibercoat, Composite Recycling, or Vartega, to name a few. This 8th edition of Startup Booster is supported by amazing companies such as Airbus, Owens Corning, Proxima, Mercedes-Benz, and Swancore.
And we have a great lineup of startups for this year's Startup Booster competition. The startups we are going to introduce today will all pitch at ZecWorld on the 4th of March, and the winners, by category, will be announced the next day at 5:30 p.m. You'll have a chance to meet all of them, all the winners, all the entrants, during the 3 days of the show. We can't wait to see you there. And now, for the big reveal, let's find out who the startups are. Beginning with the product and material category.
Let's do this.
Our first startup is Applied Bioplastic from the USA.
Coming from France, we have Kairostris.
And we have Carbomat from Canada.
The next finalist is coming from Georgia. It's Elven Technologies.
Our next entrant is Fiber Joints from Denmark.
Thanks, Nelly. Here are the first 5 startups selected for the products and material category. The 6th finalist for this category is Flux Polymers from Germany.
From Switzerland, we have Incaptech.
We have MCVE Technology from France.
From Spain, Strong by Form.
And the last finalist for the products and material category is 3 Composites from the Netherlands. We can see here the 10 startups selected for the first category, products and materials.
And our second category is process, manufacturing, and equipment. The first startup in this category is ADN Group from France.
The second finalist is FipClick coming from Germany.
Also from Germany, we have Fox Composites.
Coming all the way from Singapore, we have Nandina REM.
From Switzerland, NGNT.
Here are the first 5 startups for the process manufacturing and equipment category. The next finalist is Perseus Materials in the USA.
From the UK, we have Phoenix Carbon.
Coming from Israel, we have Tempachip.
We have TIA-X from Denmark.
And finally, coming from the Luxembourg, we have Uplift 360. Here are the 10 finalists of the second category, process, manufacturing, and equipment.
Thank you all. Good luck to all our participants, and we can't wait to see them pitch on the 4th of March, and we can't wait to see the winner on the 5th of March at 5:30 p.m.
So see you all very soon at GEC World, starting on March 4th. Thank you.